Star Wars Legion Swoop bike riders came out today. Let's take a look at them. Here's the instructions. Nice poster. And the bases. Here's the cards. Let's look at the tokens here. Got your Republic, Shadow Collective, and Rebels. Here's our unit card. Swoop Bike Riders, cover 1. While defending, improve your cover by 1. Independent aim, 1 or dodge. Reinforcements. You may deploy after all units without reinforcements have deployed. Speeder 1. While moving, ignore train height 1 or lower. So it has Overrun with the Vibro Axe and Heavy Blaster Pistol. Surge to hit. And Surge to block. Something interesting is that the crit should be a surge to block, but it's actually a critical symbol, so little mistake there. There's the back of the card. I really like the art, it's pretty cool. Model here. Here's the first one. And our riders. Here's the Swoop bikes all put together and based, all glued up I was missing a part when I was unboxing, and I looked back on the video and it is definitely gone, but it's hard to tell. It's on this Swoop bike here though. It's this little part right in between here. But it's not a big deal. Luckily, you wouldn't be able to tell unless I pointed it out to you. I really believe these models are really nicely done. I like all the options for the different heads and weapons you can do. It's just a generally cool looking model, especially to add to your armies. And the customization with a couple different bikes you can build for each of them. It's pretty cool. Want to get some more? I based it in my same Shadow Collective basing to match, and I'll come up with a video for painting these. But first, got to finish my pikes that I've been talking about. That's on its way. If you also noticed on the package, the bases were a little larger, but Atomic Mass Games came out and said that the bases that are in the box are actually what is supposed to be on it, and the art was incorrect. So these are a little smaller, so same size as the Imperial speeder bikes, but otherwise very cool models. Enjoy putting them together, and I think you guys will too. Stay tuned. Bye.